Poru Playhouse Popeyes prank edition.
Yeah?
Go ahead with your order.
I like play order.
Excuse me?
I like play order.
Go ahead.
Alright, how much is your scripts?
One versus $1.99 with test for 13.
I said a script.
A brunch.
The little thing that crawled in the bottom of the ocean. Hello? Hello?
He won't answer back.
Hello?
Go ahead.
I'd like to get a basket of scrimps.
You just want a brunch?
A basket of scrimps.
Okay, a basket of shrimp.
Yeah.
Shrimp by itself for $9.
Do it come with a biscuit?
I mean, I have an order of popcorn shrimp for $2.99. But no, it does not come with a biscuit. You can always add on a biscuit.
Okay, so you don't have no meal with the scrimps and a biscuit.
I have a shrimp taco box.
Okay, let me get that.
Alright, you want a shrimp taco box for $4.99, $5.99 with a drink.
You say how much?
$4.99 with a side item and a biscuit, and $5.99 with a side item, biscuit, and a drink.
I'll just take the one without the drink.
Okay, and fries okay for your side item?
I can't hear you.
Excuse me?
I can't hear you.
Would you like to take fries for your side item?
I want some of that rice with that brown stuff in it.
Rice?
I can't hear you.
Cajun rice?
Oh yeah.
Alright, Cajun rice. Yes, please, sir?
That'll be it.
Alright, pull them up.
I love that chicken at Popeye.